Aloha, hiya, activity 44, search engines. I have Cameron here. Say hi, Cameron.
Hey.
Emma.
Hello there.
Lindsay.
Hi.
These rats always come into my prep period. I don't know why. So anyway, just continuing on. Activity 44. This is cool because you just get to insert a pie chart really simply. Look, you don't have to type much at all, but you just have to highlight A1 through B8, and then just go to insert, and then we want to go to, see, it has the recommended charts. Let's just do a pie chart, right? And we want to do a just pie. Okay. Now, it doesn't look like how it needs to. So to fool around with charts, and Excel has gotten a lot better over the years, is you just want to go to quick layout. And then now, once you go to quick layout, you can select this one. And this is the one that makes it look identical to the handout that you have. Okay. So look, it has the percentages and it has the legend over here. And you can change your title if that didn't come out right, but it should have. All right, so now you just need to change the colors. You can click, let's see, it says one click, and then you can change each pie color. And another click, okay? And move this chart. This chart needs to be on its own separate page. All you have to do is go to select the chart and just go to move chart, okay? And we need to title this chart. Hang on, let me look. So yeah, I found it. It's called Search Engines Chart on number 7G. So again, what I did was just select your chart, go to Move Chart, and New Chart, New Sheet, and you want Search Engines Chart. And you hit OK, and then watch what happens. Oh, it already exists because I have it down here. So what it does is, I'll just call it 2. So look, what it does is it pops open a brand new spanking beautiful chart right here, down here. This is what yours is supposed to look like when you're done. So this is where the data is coming from, and this is what yours will look like. And this was mine without the colors. All right, there we have it. Activity 44, searching.